Have you ever had a near-death experience? When I was 16, I was house-sitting for my aunt and was home alone one night. Their house was really old and creeped me out, but I decided to just watch a movie upstairs. I remember noticing a sound coming from somewhere in the house, but tried my best to ignore it. I thought maybe it was coming from the movie, but when I heard it for a third time, I paused it to listen. Now I was sure I wasn't imagining things. I heard it again and realized it was coming from the basement. It sounded like something was hitting against something metal every few seconds, and I was about to go downstairs to see what it was. Their house was far from anyone else, so I was already freaked out, but I talked myself into going down and looking anyways. As soon as I opened that door, I saw how dark it was down there and had seen enough horror movies to know not to go down. My gut was screaming at me that something was wrong, so I just decided to call 911. I told them I was home alone and there was no need to rush because it was probably nothing. I honestly felt bad for making them drive out there, but she told me not to worry and someone would be over soon. I locked the door and sat back down, expecting them to take forever to come, but only 4 minutes later, they were banging on the front door. They had came way faster than I thought, and there were 4 of them outside asking if I was okay. They came inside and searched the whole house and went down to the basement. I thought this was a lot for just hearing something, but then I heard